We just finished building our website and we are looking to index it on search engines just like Google. Well, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to index this simple looking website on search engines just like Google. These steps or the methods I'm going to show you in this video is very simple and is also modern, so you wouldn't want to miss any part of this video. Just try your best to watch complete tutorial. So what I want you to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard and then install a plugin called Used SEO. Okay, so we're going to install a plugin called Used SEO. We type Used SEO and let's wait for it. And here we are. This is the first plugin on the screen. We want to install this plugin. Okay, that's the Used SEO plugin. The plugin has been installed. Let's activate it. It has been activated. Okay, so what we want to do is to click on this icon, the plugin icon, that's the Use SEO, and then we go to configuration wizard. Okay, so this is the Used SEO configuration wizard. All right, so the first thing is talking about the environment setup. Please specify if your site is under construction or is ready. Our website is ready, so we'll choose the first option, is ready, and then continue. This part of it talks about the type of your website. Is it a blog, online store, or what is it? For tutorial purposes, let's choose a word, blog, and then continue. All right, are you building for organization or is for yourself? Let's say self, and then maybe we choose the person, your name, that will be admin. Okay, I'm using admin as my name on the site, and then we continue. Search engine visibility, so you leave it as yes. We want our post to be indexed. We also want our pages to index. Continue. Multiple authors, if you have multiple authors, you allow that, so we can continue. Choose whatever that fits. All right, and this is our title settings. Okay, so you choose your title separator. All right, choose our title separator here. I want this as my title separator. Then website name, I'm leaving it as tutorials because that's my tutorial website, what I'm using to make my tutorial videos. So continue with the process. Now help us improve. So if you want to give them feedback to track your website and improve on the plugin, you can allow that. But if you don't want it, just stick to the default, and that is the first one, that's no, and we'll continue. You can sign up to their newsletter if you wish. If you don't want it, just forget about it. And they also have academy, so you can learn about, enroll on their courses and learn more. And continue. And we are done. Success. And this is their academy. Please close it. We are done with the first part of the configuration. The next step is uploading a file on our web hosting provider, our cPanel. So we're uploading a file today, our cPanel file or our website files, in order for Google to be able to crawl our website. So what we have to do is to get the next screen after our first configuration. You see Webmasters Tools, you click on that and then go to Google verification code and you click on that. This is Google Webmasters tool. What I want you to do is to select recommended method. Okay, select that. Now this method allows us to download a file and upload that file to our website. After we upload the file to the website, we can verify the file, the uploaded file here, and then click on verify, and that is it. So we are going to first upload the file. So we're uploading the file and here is the file downloaded. All right, so let's go ahead and upload this file to our cPanel, our file manager, where our website files are stored. Here I'm using Makigo Host, the hosting provider of choice. If you need this hosting, my affiliate link is in the description and 50% off. All right, so we go to our file manager and then continue. We are logging into cPanel. If you don't want that, our file manager is just beneath the quick shortcuts, so click on that. And here we are. Please go to the public directory, that's public_HTML, and then double click on it. Okay, I'm sorry, this is my main domain, so we're going to my subdomain. That's what I'm using to make the tutorials. So, but in your case, you should have it over there. But wherever your files are located, please locate that folder. Okay, and here I am. This is where my website files are stored. All right, so we are uploading the file we get downloaded. So click on upload, select file, and here is the file. All right, okay, and the file has been downloaded. Please click here to go back. You can decide to reload the page if you wish. Now after you upload the file, go back to the Webmaster Center page. The first part is done. We downloaded the file. We are done with the second part, which is uploading the file. Now let's verify to see if the uploaded file, the file is there. Okay, actually we have to rename this. I have it downloaded as the second file, but in your case you should not have something like this, so we are renaming it. Okay, okay, all right, if not it will not work. Okay, so here is the link. Let's visit it and see our website will show up, and success, this is the file. All right, okay, we have just bypassed the third step. The final step is click on the verify button or the verify link. So we verify that we are not a robot, and then we click on verify. My internet connection is slow. Google giving us error message. Let's try it once again. Okay, once again. So we verify that we are not a robot. let's verify and see if it will work. Okay, success. So our website has just been uploaded to Google, and Google will crawl our website using the file uploaded. So you'll give it up to 24 or 48 hours to see if your website will get indexed on Google. So you type your website name on Google to see if it will appear. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you think this video helped, consider subscribing to my channel. I will appreciate. Have a lovely day.